Before you attack people, before you speak evil, have you asked yourself, why did he bless that one? Why did he lift the other one? Why did he put down that one? Why did he silence a wise man? Why is a prince moving on feet? Why is a servant riding on a horse? How can an indifferent woman get married and a good woman fail to find a husband? Why did this person have the best education and orientation, but they were not a success? Why is the other one without an education success? Why, when Israel insists that they want a king, God looked for the least tribe and the least family? Why? Why, when Nebuchadnezzar besieges Israel, does he look of the stock of the king? Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Why are those the closest things you will want to work with? Why is that brother rich, yet he does not do so much? Why is that brother poor, yet he has been a hard worker? Why did Ananias and Sapphira die? How many die like that today? The question is to know the way. And God says, I cannot show you my way without the consecration of your heart, to know how much of you I have. So the deeper you are leaned or inclined to me, the more you give of your heart, the more you learn of my ways. No man is a success by mistake. There are no mistakes in the spirit. There are no coincidences in the spirit.